slices and you can garnish the mocktail with one. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more Kiwi based mocktail, and the mocktail name is Kiwi Basil Fizz. How to make Kiwi Basil Fizz? First of all, take a shaker glass, then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Okay, after that you have to add 10 to 15 ml of sugar syrup. Okay, then you have to pour 30 ml of Kiwi crush. Okay, 30 to 40 ml of Kiwi crush you can pour. Okay, after that you have to squeeze on lemon juice. Okay, just squeeze on fresh lime. Then you can add some basil leaf into, just add some basil leaf, then just shake all the ingredients with the help of shaker. You will shake all the ingredients together so that you will get that basil and kiwi flavor. Then you can take any type of fancy glass and pour all the ingredients. Simply fill the glass with soda. This is very, so with the basil and kiwi flavor, this is the nice mocktail. Actually, you can try with the combination of kiwi, lime juice, sugar syrup, and then you can serve the mocktail with one scissors and garnish with lime slices, and you can garnish the mocktail with the basil leaf. See how the fancy refreshment mocktail. The mocktail name is Kiwi Basil Fizz. Okay, I hope you like this refreshment mocktail, and please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.